G'day, Dwayne here from Pari. This is a quick overview on the dual height cattle loading ramp. Firstly, the cattle are diverted out of your main race through this diverter gate here. In some sites or on some sites, depending on the lay of the land, this first deck here can actually be designed to be the same height as your yards, meaning that this doesn't need to be built up. We're on a flat site here, so this first step is built up. We've got another diverter gate here which adjusts the difference between your upper and lower deck. So when it's swung over in this position, you bring your cattle up, they flow around the side there and enter in to the bottom deck, which I can just come and show you now. The man gates are up the front here. That gives the truck driver safe access to adjust any of his trailer gates or push that last cow in. We give you the option to have handrail in areas where you have had to build your ramp up. Got a nice wide access walkway here with handrail. We do option it in both left and right hand operation, meaning your walkway can be on either side of the ramp, whatever you prefer. This client has optioned the side load attachment, which, as you know, it's not always easy to get your trailers in the perfect position. So you've got these little doors on the side here, which can be swung around to make up for any adjustment on from your truck into the ramp as required. We've also got this platform here which can be folded out to make up for any gap between your truck, trailer and the ramp. Man gates up the top here, which again give you safe access to adjust your gates. And then this one behind me here to shut the cattle off if you need to go in and change any internal gates. A couple more features on our dual height ramp. We've got our poly sheeting here. This takes away any risk for animals' feet or legs slipping out the side during loading and unloading. Also blocks any distractions that might be happening around the ramp at the time. Got our flat steps here, so they're pressed and folded. Got plenty of grip on them. Keeps the animal's foot flat as they're walking on and off. Gives them a lot more confidence. Like all Pari equipment, fully hot dip galvanised. No compromise on quality. Get in touch with us today for more information.